But we begin first at 4, continuing our team coverage on the guilty verdict for Richard Allen, the man convicted on all counts for the murders of Abby Williams and Libby German almost 8 years ago. Thanks for joining us here first at 4. I'm Nick McGill.
And I'm Dan Spieler in for Aaliyah. Today, first at 4, a look at what's next in this case. Now that the jury has made its decision, Fox 59's Russ McQuaid has been on this story from the start, from the day the girls were found, through the investigation, the arrest, and the trial.
And today, Russ joins us live in the studio for a look at what's next. Hey, Russ.
Hey, good afternoon, Nick. It took 5 years to find the killer of Libby and Abby, 2 years to convict him, and now the process of affirming that guilty verdict begins.
This was Richard Allen's defense team, somber and pensive, about to enter the Carroll County Courthouse. Minutes before a jury of 12 found him guilty of the murders of Libby German and Abby Williams near the south end of the Monon High Bridge just east of Delphi. It seems Richard Allen's own words, from prison phone call confessions to police interview details, lent weight to the jurors' verdicts, said our legal analyst, Indianapolis defense attorney John Tompkins.
They focused on the words that came out of Richard Allen's mouth and whether they fit the rest of the evidence, because really there wasn't a whole lot of physical evidence.
4 guilty verdicts for murder, each punishable by 45 to 65 years in prison. His sentence will be determined December 20th by Special Judge Fran Gull.
She will explain the basis for her sentence, what she thinks the aggravators and mitigators are, which she thinks are most powerful, which she gives the greatest weight to. But ultimately, at the end of the sentencing phase, she'll explain to him what his appellate rights are, ask him if he wants to seek an appeal and if he wants an attorney appointed, and then go with his wishes. And I'm sure here that will be to yes, appeal, and yes, have someone appointed.
Allen's attorneys have built a record anticipating filing an appeal, and they have battled Judge Gull from the start, pushed back against her gag order, resisted her attempt to fire them, and opposed her denial of their motions for evidence favorable to their client.
So the things that you appeal are the things that the defense asked to be able to do but weren't allowed to. Visit the scene, for instance, introduce Odinism, all the things they wanted to do and weren't allowed, and all the things they objected to the state doing, but the state was allowed to do. You're looking at how the case was shaped by the evidence that was allowed in or the evidence that was not allowed in, and you're trying to say this jury didn't see the right picture, the correct picture to come to a correct verdict.
The media will petition Judge Gull to reverse her ban on the use of cameras in the courtroom and seek permission to televise Allen's sentencing live. There are cameras in the Carroll County Circuit Court courtroom. They're just enclosed in trash bags. Tompkins expects if the sentencing is broadcast live, we'll hear victims' statements. Maybe Allen talks. Maybe his wife pleads for leniency. In the studio, I'm Russ McQuaid. Nick?
All right, Russ, thank you. Of course, we'll return to the Delphi community for their reaction in our next half hour. Meanwhile, if you missed any moment of our trial coverage, you can catch up on our website, fox59.com. See our day-by-day logs of the witnesses and evidence and our full team coverage from the moment that verdict came down.